today's video, I'm going to show you a feat that not many people thought would be possible. How to achieve the look and feel of a very expensive camera, or the likes of a DSLR camera. And the way we do that is with this blurred effect that you see in the background here. This wasn't made through a very expensive camera like I mentioned. This is all through an app called Bokeh Cam, and it goes right through your camera. Let me show you how it's done. Now, I had mine set to the highest bit rate, but you can put it in medium or the lowest. I didn't see that much of a difference. What we want to do here is go to the effects tab and click on blur. I already have it set up, as you can see from the background behind me. I can turn it off. Now I'm medium close. You want to go further back, you can just go ahead and click on the 0.5, and I still have the blur effect. I can go somewhere in the even closer with the 3 times closer. Not sure if you want to go that close, but it still has the effect in the background. I can go back to number 1. Here we are. We can turn the flash on or off if you'd like, and we could just play around with the brightness. But what really you want to see, the game changer here, is basically, once again, the blur effect. You can do a flip as well if you want to do something humorous. You have the mirror effect if you want to switch it to the other side. Once again, you can change the backgrounds to anything below here, or you can add a background. Just have to click on this plus sign, find a background to your pleasing, or you can use the ones that are given here. But the main accomplishment here that no one thought would be possible is this blur effect. You could set it up to a tripod, or you can put it on a clamp, which is what I have here. I will put in the link for the Elgato Bokeh Cam in the video below, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Once again, most webcams cannot really replicate the effect of a DSLR camera, but in this case, we are very close, or even if not in the same ballpark as a very expensive camera, without even having to spend all that money.